Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about plants, its parts and function. Plants are one of the most essential living organisms on earth. They are immensely beneficial to both animals and human beings. They produce oxygen which is crucial for the survival of living organisms. They act as source of food and oxygen and also helps to maintain the ecological balance. A plant has many different parts that perform various functions. The two main parts of the plant are the root and shoot. Root usually grows under the ground while shoot usually grows above the ground. The shoot have different parts called as stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. The stem is the stalk of the plant. It helps the plant to stand upright. The stem carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves and carries food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. Branches are parts that grow from the stem. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They are usually green due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps them to prepare food. Leaves have small openings called stomata through which plants take in and give out air. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. By the process of pollination, many flowers develop into delicious fruits which are eaten by us. Roots. Roots are the important underground parts of the plant. This part of the plant is mainly responsible for anchoring it down into the ground and absorbing the essential mineral elements, nutrients, and water from the soil. All roots have similar function, however, their structure varies. Roots are divided into two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. In some plants, the main root becomes thick and has thin rootlets. This main root is known as taproot, and the rootlets are called lateral roots. Fibrous root. In some plants, we find small hair like roots arising from the base of the stem. This type of root system is known as fibrous root. Here, all the roots are similar and there is no main root in this. Example of taproot system, mustard and carrot. All the dicotyledons are the example of taproot system. Example of fibrous root system, rice, wheat and maize, and all the monocotyledons. Root performs the following functions. Root absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. They anchor the plant firmly. They help in storing food and nutrients. And root transport water and minerals to the plant. Leaves. Leaves are another important part of plant. Most plants that we see in our surroundings have different types of leaves. A leaves contain leaf base, a stalk-like structure called petiole and lamina. Leaves are thin, flat organs responsible for photosynthesis in plants. It develops laterally at the node. It is an important part of the shoot system and it consists of leaf base, stipules, petiole, leaf blade. It is also known as leaf lamina and midrib, veins and veinlets. Functions of leaves. Leaves performs the following function: photosynthesis. It is the primary functions of leaves. They convert carbon dioxide, water and light into glucose through the process of photosynthesis. Transpiration is the removal of excess water from the plants into the atmosphere. This occurs by the opening of stomata present in the plant to the ground. Let's practice what we have learned. Just observe the sheets and try to answer the questions. Hope you have enjoyed and understand the session. Jazakallahu khair.